So they've made over $750,000 by selling these digital designs, which is $15,000 every single month. And if I type in this text and click on to generate, we can create even better designs in under only 5 seconds. And to start making money with this design, you just want to set your profit margin to 40% before clicking on to publish. What is going on, guys? Justin here from the Real Money Strategies channel. And today I'm super excited because I'm going to be showing you how you can make as much as $16,000 every single month by selling digital products that will take seconds to create using a new incredible AI text-to-image platform that you can use absolutely for free. And I'll be revealing which designs are currently the most popular so that you know exactly which images that you should generate. And I'll also be showing you the best website that you can use to sell these digital designs on. And all that I ask from you before we get started is that you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, because I'm about to show you an incredible step-by-step AI-driven money-making strategy that you can get started with right this second. And the AI text-to-image platform that we're going to be using, guys, is Kittl, and I have a link in the description box below. And let me show you quickly exactly how Kittl works. So what it allows you to do, guys, is you can literally type in a prompt via text, such as this one right here, dog wearing a crown and sunglasses, and you can select any one of these image styles over here. If I click on to show all, you can see there is a wide range of these different image styles that we can select. We have digital art, oil painting, psychedelic, and so on. Now, for the sake of this first example, I'll select digital art right here, and then I'll click on to generate image. And it's generated this image for us in a matter of seconds. And what we can do, guys, if you click on to generate image again, it will give you another image of a dog using the digital art style that will be completely different to the image that you just generated. So if you don't like the first image that you generate, you can literally click on to generate image again, and it will give you another unique variant. And what you're able to do, guys, you can generate any of these images across a wide range of styles like I just showed you. And if I click on to show all again over here, you can generate this exact same image in anime style, in acrylic style, in steampunk style, and the list goes on. And I've done just that, guys. I've generated this exact image of a dog with a crown wearing sunglasses using 6 different styles. And we're able to create any design on Kittl in a matter of seconds just by typing in a few words. There is no design experience required whatsoever. And there are a lot of people making some really good money by selling images, selling designs just like this. And I want to show you 2 examples of online stores doing exactly that. And if we head over to Etsy.com, which is one of the best websites that we can use to sell these digital downloads, I first want you to take a look at this store right here, guys. They're selling these simple PNG watercolor icons of these different animals. Here we have a koala, a cat, a deer, and so on. And we can easily create images, designs just like these on Kittl in a matter of seconds to this quality, or arguably even much better. And I'm using a paid tool called Allura to see exactly how much this shop is making. And if we go over to Allura, we can see they're making over $15,000 every single month, which is over $180,000 every single year, and they've made over $750,000 of all time. And if we head over to another store, this one right here, Printable Lisa's Pets, they're selling these simple drawings, these digital downloads of these different animals wearing glasses. Again, guys, we're able to create designs just like this and even better in Kittl, which I'll be proving to you. And this store is making a lot of money, guys. If I go over to Allura, we can see they've made over 106,000 euros, which is well in excess of $100,000. And if we scroll down, we can see their best-selling products. And if I click onto this one over here, for example, it's a simple drawing of a cat wearing glasses. And this is one of the images that I'm going to be showing you how we can create in Kittl to a much better quality, in my opinion. And another one of their best-selling products, guys, is this elephant right here sitting in a bathtub. So super simple images that we're able to create on Kittl. And guys, to be fair, if I do zoom in, you can see why these designs are selling so well. They're absolutely designed to perfection. You can see a lot of talent and a lot of effort has gone behind creating these images from the designer. But on the flip side, we're going to be able to create these images in Kittl with zero talent required and zero effort required as well. So what we're going to be able to do, guys, we're going to go back over to Kittl, and again, I have a link in my description box below. Once you click onto that link, you can see that you can get signed up to Kittl absolutely for free. So you want to click onto try Kittl for free right here. You want to enter some simple details, and then you want to click onto create a free account. So once you are signed up and logged into Kittl to generate your first AI text-to-image design, you just want to click onto New Project right here, and you then want to click onto Standard, and then you want to click onto Create. And what you're able to do, guys, if you click onto this sort of star symbol over here, here is where we're going to be typing in that text to describe to Kittl exactly the type of image that we want it to generate. And as we did see before, guys, we know that this store right here with these simple digital downloads containing these sketches of these different animals wearing glasses is doing extremely well. We know, for example, that this store has made over $100,000 in profit. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to go back over to Kittl and let's ask it to draw us a digital download of a koala wearing glasses, for example. So I'll type in detailed drawing of a koala wearing blue glasses, and maybe just for fun we'll say and a bow tie. And all you want to do is you want to click onto generate image, and in a matter of seconds this incredibly detailed drawing of a koala wearing blue sunglasses and a bow tie has been generated. Guys, this is to a really high standard and quality. You definitely would not be able to tell that AI generated this image. And what I actually did, guys, I wrote out a new prompt asking for the koala to be generated on a white background, and I clicked on to generate image a few more times, and I got these guys as well. They look absolutely incredible. And I also generated another image of a koala wearing sunglasses. We can literally download these designs right here as a PNG for digital use, which we can then list onto Etsy by creating our own shop, making thousands of dollars every single month. But we want to make sure that we do this legally, guys, which we can do even with the free version. So it's important to note that if you do have the free version of Kittl, you can still sell these images on Etsy and use them for commercial use. And all you need to do, guys, is you need to label them with attribution, which means that you'll need to say provided by Kittl whenever the designs are used. And it mentions that here as well. For the free version, guys, it does require attribution. Guys, I currently have the expert version of Kittl, not only because I don't need to provide attribution when listing my product on Etsy, but also because it gives me 100 credits or 100 different designs that Kittl is able to generate for me every single month. With the free version, you do only get 15 designs that you can generate. And guys, I've been generating a lot of these designs on Kittl. As you can see, I have my 100 credits and I only have 2 credits remaining. So I will need to top that up pretty soon. I've been generating a lot of designs on Kittl that I've been listing on Etsy, and I'm already generating some really good results. So guys, I would recommend at least getting the expert version. If you can only get the pro version, you still get 20 credits every single month. So signing up to the expert version or at least the pro version with the amount of money that we can make with this strategy is an absolute no-brainer, guys, but I'll leave that up to you. The choice is yours. So that is the first way that we can make money with Kittl, by creating these AI generated designs and listing them as printable digital downloads on Etsy, just like these ones, for example. And anytime a customer clicks onto one of these digital downloads, anytime they purchase it, they can then download it as a digital file, which they can then print out and stick onto a poster, for example, which they can then stick onto their wall. But guys, a lot of customers cannot be bothered with any printing, and they would actually prefer to have our design already printed onto a canvas, such as this koala that we designed earlier, printed onto this ready-made canvas. And for example, here's another design that I also created in Kittl earlier. It's a watercolor painting of a dog with sunflowers on the background, printed onto a tumbler. So to maximize the amount of money that we're able to make with these AI generated designs, we also want to cater to those customers that don't want to do any printing. They want the designs already printed onto these items. And that, guys, is where Printify comes into play. Guys, Printify is a print-on-demand website which allows you to select any one of these items over here. So for example, I can select mugs just like that, and I can select any one of these mugs, and all I need to do is to upload my design to Printify, and Printify will then print my design onto this mug over here, for example. And anytime the customer purchases this mug with our design printed onto it, Printify will then ship this mug to the customer, and Printify will take care of postage, packaging, storing the inventory. We don't need to do anything whatsoever, guys. All we need to do is to upload our design to the Printify website and choose any of these items to print our design onto. And let's say that we wanted to print our koala design onto a ready-made canvas. What I would then do is go over to catalog over here and then click onto canvas. You could then select any one of these canvas items. I'll select this stretched canvas right here. You then want to click onto start designing, and you can literally upload your downloaded Kittl design onto this canvas. So I'll click onto my device right here. I'll click onto this AI generated koala design as such. It will then upload to this canvas, and I can resize it and then click onto save product. And immediately what you will see and what the customer will see are these model images of how our design will be appearing on this ready-made canvas that the customer will be receiving. And we're going to be linking this product to Etsy, guys. So anytime that anybody purchases this product on Etsy, Printify is automatically going to post and package this product and send it to the customer on our behalf. It's all going to be automated, and it does come at a cost, but not an upfront cost, guys. So we only pay when the product sells, and the way that we pay, guys, we got to set our profit margin right here. So say, for example, that this product sells for $17.22. If we set our profit margin to 40%, which I recommend that you do, we'll earn 40% of that retail price. So every single time that this product sells, we're going to get $6.89 if you sell this product for $17.22. And to finish listing this product, guys, you just want to scroll up and you want to fill in your description over here. You want to explain what your design is, and then you want to scroll all the way down, and then you simply want to select all of these. So these, the product title, the description, the shipping profile, and so on, are what is going to be synced onto Etsy. And you then want to click onto publish and then click onto confirm. And the last thing for us to do, guys, is to link our Etsy store to this print on demand product. Guys, I've already linked my Etsy store to Printify, and the way that you do it is you want to select this drop down box over here, and you then want to go to add a new store. And if you scroll down, you'll see the option right here to connect to Etsy. And that, guys, is how you can leverage AI to generate these digital designs in a matter of seconds, which you can then list onto websites such as Etsy and Printify. And if you want to know how to make even more money by using ChatGPT to create viral YouTube videos, which you can monetize with an effective affiliate marketing method, then make sure you click onto this video right here, because I show you exactly how to do that. And if you got value from this video, please make sure that you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so that you get notified every single time that I release a new online money making video. Take care.